show me who you are.
Good morning, people. It's 6 in the morning and I am YMKG. If you don't know, now you do. आज का टास्क, हम बाइक पे 2000 किलोमीटर चला रहे हैं अक्रॉस राजस्थान और मुझे पैक करना है लाइट बिकॉज आई एम ऑन माई ब्लडी मोटरसाइकिल. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, क्यों मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ? क्योंकि YouTube पे भैया जी मोटरसाइकिल में इतने लंबे सफ़र के लिए वो भी सुपर बाइक में कैसे पैक करते हैं. मम्मा ने तो सिखाया मुझे. एनीवे, वहाँ पे नहीं जाते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बैग्स. आई यूज क्रीगा US 40, नॉट पेड एड, खुद के पैसे हैं. फॉर माई टेल सेक्शन, फॉर माई बैकपैक, आई यूज अ ऑल टर्न मिलिट्री बैग. एंड फॉर माई पेटी कैश, पैसा फ्यूल के लिए, नॉट फेस. So usually for such rides, I carry 2 riding jeans. दोनों में there's one good quality कि you can remove the guards while you're washing it and put it back in. T-shirts. I normally carry 4 to 5 and normally fold them in different shapes and sizes based on at the end of the day मैं इसको कैसे पैक करूँगा. Guys, socks. It's important to carry about 4 to 5 pairs of socks and about 6 to 7 underwears. It's important to stay hygienic. Morning essentials. मैं एक छोटे से पाउच में कैरी करता हूँ. You don't need a Ziploc bag. Again, hygiene guys. And look, जहाँ पर मैं जाता हूँ, I'm expecting चाहे Airbnb हो या सस्ता होटल हो, टूथपेस्ट वगैरह वगैरह, साबुन, ये सब वहाँ मिल जाता है. Again, we're not going camping. We're going on a budget friendly. मैं यहाँ बजट बोल भी नहीं सकते. सुपर बाइक है या फ्यूल में इतना निकल जाता है. Anyway, तो आप समझ गए. छोटा सा पाउच. चप्पल यार, चप्पल कौन भूलता है? Guys, fuck. चप्पल guys. ये भी कहीं डाल देना. Shoes. You got the Supertech R or the riding shoes. I'm gonna go with my Supertech R. Yes, ये track shoes हैं for racing purpose only, but मुझे अपनी ज़िंदगी प्यारी है. And I carry 2 sets of gloves. This is for normally motocross, but they're comfortable at times. Usually on a long road trip, on a highway cruise, I wear my street gloves and my Alpine style leather jacket. Yes, they're expensive, they break the bank, but guys, when it comes to your safety, look, spend the bloody money. This is my carbon fiber AGV Pista super light helmet, but for this particular road trip, I'm going to be using my Thunderbird. Not the best helmet I would recommend, but it's just because I have my Blue Armor Bluetooth setup to speak to my family and friends while I'm riding, my action camera, mounts, and bit of winglets, chopper panti, why not? So this is the helmet I'm going to be using. And a neck tube, super easy, you can get from Amazon, has multiple purposes. I carry 2, one for my neck and one to clean the visor. So when you have all the bugs coming in, you just take it and then you just clean it. So for my backpack, I need my laptop. I have to be updated with my work, what's happening. Besides that, I like to categorize my pouches. So these are like my extra GoPro, battery, and mounts, just in case if I need it. Extra juice from my phone, mount for my Insta360 camera and all the wires. I like to segregate them, and my mic too, into this bag. And of course, guys, a bottle of water. Anyway, now, I'm not one of those riders, oh, I'm going to carry a tire puncture kit or chain cleaner, blah, blah, blah. Guys, we're not going to Leh Ladakh. We're going to Rajasthan. Anyway, every 25-30 kilometers, you are going to find a petrol pump. If you need an emergency, there are plenty of people to save your bloody ass on a highway. Oh yeah, and the fanny pack. I use it to keep some petty cash or my wallet or something quick and easy that comes out from your waist. And yeah, guys, this is what it takes. It's this simple. Don't have to carry so much unnecessary thing. 2000 kilometers, 7 days ride. This is all I carry. And no, I don't carry a puncture kit or a chain cleaner because we live in a developed country. Every 25-50 kilometers, there is a petrol station. So don't carry things you don't need. We're not going to Leh Ladakh. We're going to Rajasthan. So guys, I have to go hit the shower and put all of these things inside the bag. अब मुझे ये नहीं बोलना भैया कि ये बैग के अंदर डाल के दिखाओ. Come on guys. Anyway, I'm gonna see you next to my bike and to show you how I put all these bags, how I install them on the motorcycle. मगर अगले वीडियो में, because थोड़ा बहुत क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, थोड़ा बहुत छोड़ देना चाहिए, अब वो आप समझ गए. And I hope मेरा पहला व्लॉग है, थक गया बोलते बोलते, वो भी अपने आप से बात करके इस कैमरा में देख के. I hope I did a decent job. And guys, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ना कीजिए वो आप पे है. I have to learn few things कि like okay, how do I do intro, like good morning world, or like what I don't know what to even call you guys, and how do I say bye in the videos. But ठीक है, अभी हम वीडियो यहीं end करते हैं, and then I will see you next to my bike. Peace.